If you've ever whispered something you thought was private only for Siri to chime in uninvited, then Apple owes you money and here's how to get it. To be eligible, you must have owned a Siri enabled device in the US that includes iPhones, iPads, MacBooks, Apple Watches, Apple TVs, and HomePods at any point between September 17, 2014 and December 31st, 2024. Crucially, you need only have experienced one unintentional Siri activation during what you considered a private moment. Claimants can receive $20 per device up to 5 devices for a maximum payout of $100 per person. Whether you choose a mail check, an e-check, or direct deposit, the money goes straight to you. This all springs from a class action lawsuit claiming Siri would randomly activate and record your private conversation without the wake word, "Hey Siri." Though Apple denies any wrongdoing, it has agreed to a $95 million settlement. You just need your Apple ID or device serial number to apply for the cash. To do that, open up any web browser and head over to lopezvoiceassistantsettlement.com. You need to do this by July 2nd. All you want to do is enter the required details, pick your payout method, and then submit it. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.